going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Today, as you can see, I'm not in my normal area. That's because we're going to start up a new series up on the channel. We starting up Bones Air Fries. That's because I finally got a handle on the InstaVortex Plus that we bought a couple months ago. And I've been dying to use it on the channel. So today is the perfect day to finally do it. It's raining again outside. So thought might as well bring you inside. Do a nice little video showing you how we gonna do this. Stick around, we're gonna get right to it. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna throw down a little Dove sauce on it. This is just a regular old ribeye from the store. Not sponsored by anybody. Love to be. We're going to go ahead and throw down a little cracked black pepper on it. Any meat supply watching me? Want to sponsor me? Go ahead. Hit me up. And we're going to go ahead and throw down some cherry wood smoked salt on it. Go ahead and flip it over. Go ahead and hit it up. We're going to go ahead and let this sweat in for at least 5-6 minutes. And we're doing this as coarse ground black pepper, so that way we've got something to bite into versus it being some table salt black pepper. Not table salt, but y'all know what I mean. So we're going to let that sit for a couple minutes, and then we'll be right back. We're going to go ahead and get this party started. Hit air fry. Got it set to 350 degrees. Don't need it for 31 minutes. No indeed. Seven minutes. Turn it on. Once it gets up temp, we're going to put it on. Alright, we're going to go ahead and throw this on the grill now. And let it ride for the 7 minutes. Alright, we done. Steak looks nice and pretty. The dog trots into place. 129 degrees, so we're looking right on top. Gonna let this rest for a minute, and then we're gonna eat it. Alright, let's go ahead and cut into this and see what we got. Oh yeah, nice medium rare. Let's go ahead and cut off a little piece here. Get ready for that taste test. Alright, here we go. Moist, juicy. Flavors on point. Can't complain here. Only thing it's missing is the charcoal and wood smoked flavor from that I'm used to out there with the grill. But when you can't do that, if it's raining or you're just wanting a real quick, you know, easy cook, you know, you don't want to have to fire up the grill, wait a couple minutes to get it all up to temp. Go ahead and do this. Literally took 2-3 minutes to get it up to temp, and then 7 minutes to cook, right up to perfect medium rare. Can't complain. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.